we are hitting another trail. This one's been on my bucket list for a little while. Finally making it out deep in the middle of Colorado. After driving in late afternoon, we found a campsite, set up camp, and hung out for a little while.
Yeah, they're just super easy.
Our conversations revolved around a lot of different gear, whether camera gear, camp gear, overlanding gear, and learning what we liked and what we didn't like.
3 trucks here, to spread it out in the whole area. So it's kind of nice everyone. But I probably I will buy a nicer tripod that has the Swiss thing, like the Arca Swiss, so that way I can easily go from gimbal to tripod.
The next morning, we shot a few arrows before heading on our way. There was still a lot of trail ahead of us. This trip actually consisted of 2 trails. The first trail was supposedly more difficult, but turned out to be easier than the second trail. The second trail was more difficult, more beautiful, and much longer. And I think that's one of the great things about exploring new trails and new places. You never truly know what you're getting into until you experience it for yourself. There can oftentimes be a consensus among people which trails are better than others, and that's always a good place to start. But until you do it yourself, you could experience it in a completely different way than the next person. Whether it's the vehicle you drive, the views you appreciate, or the company that you're with even. Cool little lake here.
It's all over, believe it. I'm on your side. Don't you see? You're in my eyes, believe me. I'm on your side. Safe at home, crying out your lungs, honey, don't you know? Say the word, I'll be there to make it right. Anything in the world that keep me tight. Say the word, I'll be there to make it right.
Keep coming.
Open wide, believe it. I'm on your side. When your heart can't see the light, believe me, I'm on your side. On your side. Say the word, I'll be there to make it right. Anything in the world that keep me tight. Say the word, I'll be there to make it right. I'm on your side. Yeah, baby, I'm on your side. I'm on your side. Yeah, I'm on your
Here we are, top of the Pearl Path.
I'm on
Nice.
your
Side by side.
side. I'm on your
Way up high. Whether I'm hiking or off-roading or any sort of outdoor adventure, I always like to know what's around the corner or over the hill, or in this case, over the top of the mountain. I love being able to see new views and what they have to offer, and I can't ever seem to get enough of it. But simultaneously, once I get to the top and I see both sides and I see 360-degree views, I can sometimes feel like my adventure's over, even though I know that's not true. We still had miles ahead of us to get all the way back to town before the 4.5-hour trip back home.
As time goes by, wanna keep heading round the circles, never letting go, never letting go. As time goes by, wanna keep heading round the circles, never fighter, tangled up, we're enmeshed to the point of messed up. As the days keep rolling on, we're living in hell again. I still hold you in my arms when these days have been and gone. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. As time goes by, gonna keep betting on ourselves, never letting go, never letting go. As time goes by, gonna keep betting on ourselves, never letting go, never letting go.
Headed home. More mountain passes to get there, but at least they're paved. Gonna help speed things up a little bit.